Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about cleaning saw blades. Now, most of us probably don't even bother to clean saw blades. It seems to be a tedious process and not a heck of a lot of value. But the reality is that when you start getting decreasing performance from your saw blade, it may not be that it's actually dull. It may be that it's collected gunk from the wood that you're cutting. Particularly in my house, I did a lot of trim work in pine, and that can gum up saw blades pretty easily. So you may be able to return your performance to your blades if you clean them, but cleaning can be a tedious process, and there's a lot of misinformation about cleaning blades. Now, MicroJig has come out with this BladeClean system, which attempts to make the whole process real simple and easy, a matter of seconds or a couple of minutes instead of taking forever on all the processes that I've seen, and particularly in the hobbyist and consumer magazines. Let's talk a little bit about what's in this system. Got a nice little tub here, and it's got snap locks on the side, and you take the lid off, and inside is a tub that'll handle up to 12-inch saw blades. There's a little abrasive pad at the bottom of it and guidelines for how much to fill it with cleaning solution. The lid has a compartment on the top that you can put cleaning solution, and you can use a little rubber thing here to hold 1/2-inch and 1/4-inch router bits for cleaning them. And that just closes down like that. There are some abrasive discs and an arbor that are intended to be used on like a Dremel tool or Moto tool for cleaning difficult parts in a router bit. And then there is a brass brush for cleaning saw blades. And then the best tool that comes with the kit is this little handle with magnets on it that allows you to safely handle your saw blades. It's even very handy in removing a saw blade from your saw. So great little tool. So how do we do the cleaning process? First off, don't use any really corrosive or caustic chemicals for your cleaning solution. There are a lot of folks say, oh, use oven cleaner. You don't want to use oven cleaner. That can degrade the cutting surfaces. In the little guide that comes with this kit, they mention a number of options like Pine Sol, Fabuloso, Simple Green. Simple Green I know is really popular. I kind of like this Dawn Ultra, which is a really strong dishwasher detergent, but it's biodegradable and seems to work pretty effectively for cleaning. And so I've mixed some up here, and I just pour about 2.5 quarts into this tub, filling it up to the line there. And then we take the handle, take our saw blade, and we put it in, and there's a little knob right there that allows the saw blade to turn. So now what you're supposed to do is let this soak for 10 to 30 seconds before you do anything. And then once you have let it soak, and I tend to go for the full 30 seconds most of the time, then you rotate the blade against that abrasive background, always rotating it in the opposite direction of that you would turn the blade for cutting. And just rotate it a couple of times and then take it out and put it on a towel, take the handle off, turn it over, put it in here the other way. So again, soak and turn, opposite direction of the cutting direction. And then you can put it on your towel, and if there's, some stubborn spots that haven't come off, you can use the wire brush. But it's surprising how good a job that it does just with a quick little bit. And towel it off, clean paper towel. And then you're done. And that's it. And you could put the lid back on here and these locks, and you can store it and be ready for the next time. So that means that the process of cleaning a blade is not so odious and time consuming, and means that it might actually be worth your time to do it. Rather than just sending your blades back to the sharpener and not trying to get a little extra time out of them from the cleaning process. Anyhow, it's certainly worth checking it out. It's called BladeClean from MicroJig. And, this little handle with the magnets on it is almost worth the price of the toolkit all by itself. So, definitely worth checking out. You can see more tool reviews and videos at our website, woodworkingnetwork.com, and in the pages of FDMC magazine. That's what we got for today. Thanks for watching.